Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl, Abby Marie, coming at you with this raw, natural look. Look at this hair, y'all. This is crazy. To think that I cut, like, literally, I cut, like, this much hair off. Like, this is all new growth since August of last year. Like, this is ridiculous. My back won't grow. But anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. I just want to say good morning. I watch 1,000 YouTube videos on like wigs and stuff like that. So I personally want to do my own quick video. I'm not going to be long because I don't, getting in the swing of things. Plus I look too crazy. So basically I'm just going to braid my hair back. I'm not good at that, but I'm going to make it work. And I'm going to apply this wig that look ratchet right now, but apply this little short bob. We'll come back and see how this goes. I never glued that wig down before, so let's see how it goes. I'll be right back after I braid my hair. So yeah, I got the braids together. Next I'm gonna get this girl together, and the products that I'm gonna use to do this is stocking cap. I may or may not use a little bit of got to be glue. Sorry, y'all. And also some got to be glue. So these two products I'm gonna be using. This is very disrespectful to my skin, but I'm gonna actually take an alcohol pad, nothing special, get them from CVS. Take an alcohol pad and then I'm gonna wipe like around here off. That way the glue can have something in here too. Without. All right, so real quick, I was about to just continue recording, but then I thought about it. A lot of women on YouTube I see, or a lot of women period, like to do this method, and then they take they got to be glued or whatever their wig adhesive that they use, and they kind of like melt this down. I'm not that type of girl because I don't want, like, I want to be able to just snatch my wig off, which isn't good, but I want to be able to just take my wig off whenever I would like. So what I do is I just pull it around my ears, make sure everything is covered, as far as like my edges. And so with this, when you do this, I realize you just really have to make sure that you don't see this part, because obviously this is a thick part, and then with normal lace fronts, when women get them installed, like, it's just this part which is thinner obviously than the rim of the cap. So I don't do that. I just pull it back to where I kind of got a little bit more protection barrier between like my edges area and the wig. Like, I don't want to take off my wig and then still have like some of my edges gone. I don't want to do that. So let me get my life together because my vanity is a mess, I feel like, even though it's not. And I'll be right back, ladies. Hey, so I'm back. Obviously, I got my wig on. I did my face. I'm so sorry, y'all. I completely forgot I got wrapped up and whatever. So yeah, it's not the best application. What I do once I get it on is, like, obviously you can see little squares or whatever. So what I do is I just take my MAC powder. I already did it, but I'm just gonna do it a little bit more to show y'all. And I just apply it just like around the edges, because it kind of, like, what I noticed when you kind of put something like on the root of the hair, it looks a little better. Obviously you don't have, like, obviously the roots of your hair isn't the color of your skin, but it just looks a little bit more natural, especially when the hair lifts up. It just looks like, I don't know how to explain it. It just looks better. So yeah, this is my wig from AliExpress. I believe I paid, AliExpress or DHgate? I want to say AliExpress. I think I paid no more than, can I get this camera clean? Or this YouTube? I want to say I paid no more than $80. And this is an 8-inch. So yeah, I'm just flat ironing it, getting it together. I look like a whole different person, y'all, and my hair ain't even completely done. One thing. So as you seen in like with the beginning of this video, how this wig was like everywhere. Once I find a part, I'm not too big on plucking. I might pluck a little bit, but I got this little root straightener off of Amazon. My sister-in-law actually bought it for a birthday gift for me. And I just take it and I just run it down that part. That way it lays a little bit flat. And even if you wanted to do like a I'm just seeing y'all Miami with the hairdo like this. Like even if you want to pull it back a little bit, you can. And then you could take a little Got to Be glue, the spray, or freeze spray, whatever they call it. And you can kind of like spray this so it can kind of like, you know, so it kind of stay back. But I haven't flattened this side at all. I just want to give y'all a glimpse, and I'll be right back to show you again. Be right back again to show y'all what it looks like all straightened and stuff. Alright, y'all, so this is my final look. I think I did a good job applying this wig and everything else. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Be sure to subscribe and like if you like the video. If you have, sorry for music, if you have any criticism or anything you think that I should do different as far as making a video, which I know it's a lot I should do different, or just any tips in general, like I don't mind. I'm always respectful and appreciative of constructive criticism. So once again, this is Ebby Marie. I'm not the best at what I do. However, this lighting change is ridiculous. However, you know, I appreciate you for watching it. Whether you do what I do, fast forward from the beginning to the finished results to see if you want to watch. But just let me know. Everybody be blessed and have a wonderful day.